Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Surah Al-Hajj 22 and Ayah 27 in continuation. وَأَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ يَأْتُوكَ رِجَالًا وَعَلَى كُلِّ ضَامِرٍ يَأْتِينَ مِنْ كُلِّ فَجٍّ عَمِيقٍ. And you announce, Allah is addressing to Ibrahim and saying, and you announce among mankind with Hajj pilgrimage, they will come to you on foot on every lean. They will come from every deep mountain highways. Now this word lean, I look up at the dictionary, that lean means that is to incline in feelings or emotions, intellect and actions. They will come from every deep mountain heights. Meaning, for example, I intend to go to Hajj. So I can go by foot or by anything, by plane. But my emotions, lean means every lean, my emotions, my intellect and actions will be inclined, bent over while I am visiting Hajj. So Allah said they will come, that is to incline in feeling, emotion, intellect and actions. So if you know the orders during Hajj, there are certain legal rules applied to us that when you are there, you are not supposed to do. That is written down in the point section. Do not have obscene talk. That's one of the point. The second is, do not take the liberties that are forbidden to you. Do not argue and debate. Do not fight. There are these are the orders that are mentioned in the Quran who visit the Hajj. So when I am visiting the Hajj, so Allah said they will come to you lean, means they will be inclined to these things, they will have this in mind that they will have no obscene talk, they will not take the liberties, and they will not argue and debate, and they will not fight. And believe me, you will note, whether ignorant, whether people know it, but yet such mass gathering is being gathered there during Hajj. You will find this kind of behavior, most of the people will fall in this, without understanding, still also. They will be emotionally involved, they cry such tremendously, and they avoid fight, they do not argue and debate. You cannot move a mass gathering in such an accurate manner if you go there. Anybody gather anywhere, the amount of people that are gathered here, they move from Mecca to Mina, then from Mina to Arafat, and Arafat to Muzdalfa, and then they come back to Mina, and then they go, this is Mecca. This mass million people are doing, and there are no fight and debate or fighting. In normal, if you see in a gathering, a huge mass gathering, people start fighting. So badly, some people can be there, but if you see in the mass, so they are leaning, meaning they with emotions are there, and they are inclined with emotions and feeling, intellect. So on these things, they will not fight, they will not have obscene talk, and they will not take the liberties. They will not argue. Otherwise, they are taking the liberties in here, and they are fighting also. But there you will find people are very sober not to do this all. So this was the order given to Ibrahim as-salam.